One of the most important aspects of trading is that you don't have just to analyze charts itself, but then have the proper management. Management of your capital, management of your trades, management of your risk, and most significantly, management of your emotions. Okay? So lagi kong sinasabi na ang trading, hindi lang yan puro analysis ng charts, no? It is also having the proper management ng sarili mo. No, kasi kahit magaling ka mag-analyze ng charts, natatimingan mo yung good to buy no sa mga areas and key points, parameters, but you don't have the proper management in risk. So mas malaki din yung risk. Kung wala ka ding proper management sa emotions, nadadala ka ng emotions mo, so minsan ano na nangyayari, no? Panalo na sana pero natatalo pa. So kaya kahit magaling ka mag-analyze ng charts or whatever na strategy pero wala kang proper management sa iyong sarili, pwede pa rin mag-fail ang ating trading. Kaya again, I have the poor management in my mentorship at sana nakatulong ito sa inyo.